Welcome to GoodWe Training Series. Today we will take you through the Lynx AG3 Series 14.3 kWh unboxing and installation. Unboxing. Here is the Lynx AG3 Series 14.3 kWh box. Here are the components included in the accessory box. Introduction of the battery. Take a look at the appearance of Lynx AG3 Series 14.3 kWh from different views. Length is 530 mm. Depth is 246 mm and the height is 855 mm. Here is the parameter label of the battery. Top views of the Lynx AG3 Series 14.3 kWh. There are many ports. Installation of the battery. Secure the battery against the wall. Mark the locking wall bracket in the corresponding position. Drill the holes using a 10 mm diameter percussion drill, ensuring a depth of approximately 80 mm. Use expansion bolts to attach the mounting bracket to the wall. Final fixing of the battery. The inverter model of this connection to the battery is ETLV. First we prepare two power cables and make the terminals. Connect the positive and negative terminals of the cable to the battery side as shown in the video. Then put the cover back on. Connect the other end of the cable to the inverter. Next step is to connect the ground wire. Prepare a network cable. Connect one end of the network cable to the battery COM1 port. Insert the terminating resistor from the accessory pack into the COM2 port. Connect the other end of the network cable to the inverter side. Take out the protective cover from the accessory pack. Attach the protective cover to the top of the battery and secure it with screws on all sides. Install the inverter's protective cover back on as well. Open the power on the side of the battery. The installation of the battery is complete. Configuration via SolarGo. First, download the SolarGo app. Select Bluetooth connection. Click Settings. Select Quick Settings. Enter the password 1111. The latter options are selected according to the actual situation. Next we match the batteries. Thank you for watching. For more installation and configuration videos of GoodWe Training Series, please visit our GoodWe community and stay tuned to our official account.